Next is knowledge sharing, which is what I'm doing right now on Skillshare. So Skillshare is a great example of how you can pass along something that you know, something that you have experience with, to other people. So you can participate in knowledge sharing through teaching these online digital classes or courses. You can teach in-person classes or hands-on workshops. You can participate in webinars, or you can host webinars, or you can be a speaker for conferences. All of these are great ways to earn extra income by simply sharing the knowledge that you have with other people. So you can also use this as an opportunity to share specialties that you don't necessarily use for your website. So for example, on my website, I don't talk about blogging. I don't talk about marketing and social media and journalism, which is what I studied in school. So I can use what I know and the things that I've learned through my experience to teach other people. You can also practice knowledge sharing by combining it with what we're going to talk about in our next lesson, which is digital products. So keep on going with the next lesson, and let's keep the conversation moving along.